Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can add a printer in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to go and print to the printer, we need to go add it into Windows 11. To go and get started, make sure the printer is connected to the same network that you're using on your computer. If it's wireless or if it's wired, go and plug it into your computer, and what we need to do is go and press on the Windows Start button at the bottom. We want to go to settings. Now come over to the left and go press Bluetooth and devices, and in here you need to go down and find the option for printers and scanners. What we need to do is go and add it to the list here. If you can already see it, that means it's already added. Otherwise, press and add in the top right device. It's going to start searching. We can go and see the printers it's found. This is one at the top is mine, so I can press and add device like so. Now it's going to go and say connecting. Be patient. When it starts connecting, it will go and start installing as you are there. And when it's finished, it will go and say ready, and that means you can then print it. You have successfully added it. If I come into Word, I'll press Ctrl T, which is the print shortcut. We can come to the left and select the printer and print to it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.